Rational division. So I've only prepared one video for the division. Why is that? Well, it is exactly the same thing as multiplication, but with one extra step. That's the flipping, because we're dealing with the division. All right, let me demonstrate. So first, let's color code everything, just like what we've been doing. And then we can start factoring. So for the yellow, we have 7 and 1, negative 7. So m plus 1 and m minus 7. And for the blue, it is difference of squares. And for the green, we have 7 and 1. So m plus 1 and m plus 7. And for the red, we take out the m. So we have m plus 7. Okay. Now we state out the NPVs. So division is slightly different in this component. We need to state out the NPVs for 3 different areas. So I highlight that with pink, these 3. So we go m plus 7, m minus 7 cannot equal to 0. So we have m cannot equal to plus and minus 7. And then m plus 1 and m plus 7 cannot equal to 0. M cannot equal to plus m, cannot equal to minus 1 and minus 7. And for the last one, m and then m plus 7 cannot equal to 0. M cannot equal to 0, and m plus, oh, shouldn't. I don't need to write that anymore, right? You guys can figure that out. Cannot equal to negative 7. So in conclusion, there's a lot of redundancies in here. So I can just say m cannot equal to 0, plus and minus 7, and negative 1. Alrighty, so that's our NPVs. Now, step 3, we need to reduce vertically and diagonally. Oh, sorry, I forgot to flip. Dangerous. So now, let me flip this. So don't be like me, okay? Don't write add in here. So if I were you, I would put a star. So make it stand out, okay? So m plus 1, m minus 7 over m plus 7, m minus 7 times, I flip this. When I flip this, I change the division sign to the multiplication sign. There we go. And now we can perform step 3. So for step 3, we can say diagonal, cross, 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 vertical, cross, cross. Okay, so now we're left with 1 and a 1. So 1, 1, m and m plus 7. So our final answer would be 1 times m, m, and then over 1 times m plus 7, we have m plus 7. Okay, and we're done. So one last remark, make sure that you do the flipping before step 3. So it doesn't matter if you want to do this after step 1 or after step 2, but before step 3, you need to flip and change the sign right here. Okay, here's the yo-yo and have fun.